Hi guys, I wanted to show you a little tutorial real quick that I promised you, how to get your business going. So think about what you want to promote, and you're going to go to what's called clickbank.com. And under Clickbank, you're going to go to the affiliate marketplace, and you're going to pick a product in your niche. Now, if you don't have a niche, they have hundreds here for you. So top offers. If you're brand new and you don't know where to start, go to whatever's making the most money. I don't recommend promoting products that you're not familiar with, but like I said, if you just want to get your feet wet, sort by gravity. Gravity just means that it's a high score, that there's a lot of sales being made. 148.73 is what you would make per sale. And this is easiest commissions you ever get. It's Exapure, and you should read what it's about before you promote it. Here's another good one. So Monster in the dental niche, which is what I should be in because I've been working in dental for 26 years, but I'm not. I just got approved to be an affiliate for Philips Sonicare, which I'm excited about. But if I wanted to look at this one, you click promote, and this is after you've made an account, obviously. And an account with Clickbank, and I will just put that in there. That's my link, right here. So I'm going to just close this window or just skip it. And then I'm going to go to a company named ClickFunnels, and you sign up. There's a 14-day free trial here. You're going to build your funnel. So I would build a new funnel here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a look at what they have to offer, collect emails. I want to sell my product, obviously, so I'm going to choose that. And I want to sell a sales funnel, and I'm going to call it dental for right now. And what's going to happen is I'm going to have a bunch of templates I can use to make this. So you could select just a plain template. There's a bar option that's going to give you an option to put bars in for people to put their name and email in if you want to collect emails. So before you do that, you're going to want to do an email autoresponder. So here is Aweber, and you would create a password, username there, an account there with Aweber, and then you're going to make a campaign so you can automate your sales. So that's where I want people to come into my Aweber. And let's take a look at this to see what it looks like. All right. So what you do is you completely edit everything here to fit what you want, right? You're going to put in dental. You're going to put in, best teeth ever, and most white for your money. Keep your teeth white. Actually, with Christmas coming up, the holidays, I always like to whiten my teeth more during that time. So you're going to headline. Your call to action is going to be, click on my link to get the whitest teeth ever. All right. So once you build your funnel, you're going to you're going to get your link. You're going to build it into your funnel. And then you're going to start your campaign and type out your emails with your copywriting that you're going to learn. And you're going to go from there. Start some TikToks, start some Reels, start some Instagrams, and promoting that product that you love. So if you want to learn absolutely everything that I just went through, what you're going to do is you're going to go right here. You're already in my Facebook group. You already know how to get into my group, and my email autoresponder is coming to you. And this is where you're going to start your adventure, and you're going to learn all the training and how to do these skills. I taught it in under 5 minutes. Obviously, you're not going to learn from that, but you have an idea of how easy it can be. So you're going to learn you're going to scale a high ticket business, and you're going to learn the core 4 business models. So I just wanted to get this out there for you to get started. It's going to be crazy how much you're going to learn in 15 days for $7. And if you need more education, if you had no experience like I did, then you will have more education available to you. All right. So we will see you guys. Thank you so much.